Back in stock sale. Grab your favorites before they're gone again. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very popular phrase you might have seen while shopping online or in your favorite store. Back in stock sale. This phrase is not just a marketing tool but also a great example of how English is used in real-life contexts. So, let's get started and explore everything there is to know about this interesting phrase. First things first, let's break down the phrase, back in stock sale, into two parts to better understand its meaning. Back in stock refers to items that were previously sold out or unavailable but have now been replenished and are available for purchase again. Sale implies a special offer where these items are being sold, often at a reduced price, for a limited time. When combined, back in stock sale signifies a marketing event where products that were once sold out are now available again, usually at a discount. This creates a sense of urgency among customers to buy the products before they sell out again. Businesses often use the phrase, back in stock sale, for several reasons. To create excitement. Announcing that popular items are available again grabs customers' attention. To drive sales, the combination of limited availability and discounted prices encourages quick purchases. To clear out inventory. Sometimes, this phrase is used to quickly sell the remaining stock of certain items. Understanding why businesses use this phrase can help you become a more informed consumer and recognize the strategies behind marketing campaigns. For English learners, knowing how to use phrases like, back in stock sale, in conversation can be very useful, especially if you're interested in topics like shopping or marketing. Here are a few examples. Did you hear? The headphones I wanted are back in stock. And there's a sale on them. I'm waiting for the back in stock sale to buy that dress I missed out on last time. This phrase can be a handy addition to your vocabulary, especially when talking about shopping experiences or discussing marketing strategies. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, back in stock sale. We hope this video has shed some light on how English is used in the context of shopping and marketing, and that you found it both informative and interesting. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!